Hello friends, welcome to the Roof Kitchen. Today in the Roof Kitchen, I'm going to show you how to make a tasty Varaipu Vadai. So let's see the ingredients required for this tasty yet nutritious Varaipu Vadai made of banana flowers. The ingredients required for this recipe is 1 banana flower, that is Varaipu, 1 finely chopped onions, green chilies 7 to 8 finely chopped, coriander leaves 1 small bunch finely chopped, curry leaves 1 strand finely chopped, salt as per taste or 1 spoon as per today's measure, oil as required for deep frying. Let's see the step-by-step preparation for this recipe. So let us start with the cleaning of the banana flower. So you'll have to open the banana flower, the outer layer, and remove the florets that is available inside. So in this florets you will have a thick stigma which is not edible. So it is the tallest of all the layers there, and it has a black head on top. So you will have to remove the stigma because it is not edible and it is not digestible. Soak this in a sour curd for about an hour so that you don't get the bitter taste of the banana flower. So after soaking this, we are going to finely chop this for our vadai. So finely chop this and keep it aside. Meanwhile, I'm going to soak one and a half cup of chana dal. I've already soaked 1.5 cup of chana dal, and I'm going to grind it to a coarse paste. So this is how the chana dal is ground, and it should not be very soft. It should be coarse with little chana dal here and there in between. So transfer it to a bowl, and let's add the chopped banana flowers, that is Varaipu, to this chana dal mixture. So you need to take a lot of care while doing this vada. So I'm adding the chopped onions to this. So the coriander leaves and the curry leaves chopped finely. Green chilies finely chopped. I'm adding a spoon of salt to this, or you can add salt as per your taste. And mix all this to evenly so that the vada mixture is in a form that where we can make balls and then tap it to a consistency of vada. So mix it evenly so that the salt, the chilies and the onions gets evenly mixed. So this is how it has to be. Now take a small portion in your hand and make a small lemon sized ball and just tap it flat. It should not break. So if it is break, the consistency is not right. Now heat oil. So make lemon sized balls and then tap it in your palm to a vada shape and drop it into the oil. So when you make the shape, you can wet your hands and then do it so that it doesn't stick to your hands. So I'm showing you one more. Just tap it gently, shape the sides and then drop it into the oil. So you can also use a plastic sheet, to tap this, or you can use your, palm itself to do this. Just wet your hands before you do this and drop one by one. So at a time you can drop 10 to 12, vadas in a container. If this is the size of the kadai that you're taking. If you're taking a smaller kadai, please drop 5 to 6 and do not overcrowd the kadai so that your vada doesn't get cooked evenly. It will look brown from outside, but it doesn't get cooked inside. So this is the time where we'll remove our vadas from the oil. So all the bubbles have come to a stop, like I've told in other videos. So your bubbles should stop whenever you're doing a fry. So I'm removing the vadas, which is ready. And your tasty Varaipu Vadai is ready. So friends, try this Varaipu Vadai and definitely share your comments. It is very nutritious and it is very tasty. And for more such videos, please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.